Founders and CIOs share the same fear. They look at legacy software and think, if we touch it, everything breaks. They hear horror stories, 2-year ERP rebuilds, budgets that triple, systems crashing on launch day. So they freeze. They keep doing manual work. They keep exporting CSV files. They keep running the business on spreadsheets. That delay is expensive. Legacy systems are not just old, they are silent saboteurs. They drain margins. They slow decisions. They increase compliance risk. But here's the truth. You do not need to replace everything. You do not need heart surgery. In 2026, the smartest approach is called strangling the bottleneck. You modernize one module at a time. You build a clean, modern layer next to the legacy core. The old system keeps running, the business stays stable, but the painful workflow gets replaced first. This is the Strangler Fig approach. It is how serious enterprises modernize safely. CTOs love it because it reduces risk. CIOs love it because it controls cost. Founders love it because it creates ROI fast. Imagine modernizing quoting first, or inventory visibility, or quality control. One pain center, one sprint, real results in 90 days. That is architecture maturity. This is not about shiny tech. This is about business survival. Every day you delay modernization, technical debt grows. It collects interest. It steals time. It steals margin. Private AI fits perfectly here. It acts as a translator. It connects legacy data to modern workflows. It unlocks shadow data without ripping systems apart. Everything we do starts under strict NDA and privacy-first execution. CTOs, subscribe to this channel. Visit www.consultwithkrishna.com.